Alafu mko salama, hata mimi niko salama, najua nimerudia nguo. So, I hope you can hear me. There's an aeroplane passing by. So I'm planning to go do my nails today. Nilisikia kuna mashimo huko chao wenye unalipa cheaper. So I was like, why not? I plan to show you as I'll go to plait my hair and all that, but I was in a rush, so I couldn't manage to vlog all the process. So I'll just try and vlog on the nail part. Yes, but right now I'm not yet sure of the place which I'm going to, but I'll just find out. I'll just check it out on TikTok. But there's also a friend of mine who had mentioned me there's mashimo za kutengeneza kucha in town. So I don't know, but we'll go together. Also, I don't know what happens with these nails. Ukisha work at the tips, there's a way they just destroy your natural nails, and you have to go like 2 months without putting anything so that your nail can heal. So
you should be here with me. No wasting time, yeah, you've been on my mind. Don't overthink it, you were there from the start when my heart became yours. Don't say we're over, you should be here with me. I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrifice in love. Before you I will. I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that
remember the days we were young, wild and free, busy getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go? Remember the days we were young, wild and free, busy getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back.
So guys, I'm done doing my nails. Wapi? So guys, I'm done doing my nails and they're looking so fine. They're looking so fine. So I'm home. and super hungry. I just bought some omena that's already dried fried, because I just don't want to do the whole process. I don't want to go about the whole process of frying it, so I've just bought the one that is already fried. What I want to do is just make ugali, and I'll see if I'll go with the one with stew or dry fry. Yeah, meanwhile I'm enjoying my samosa. So here is the omena that I bought. It's already dried fried, so it's so dry, you can hear. Yeah, so I want to prepare this omena and ugali, and I think I'll go with the stew way. I've prepared everything else here, so I just want to prepare them, and then after that I'll make ugali. I don't know, I'll shower in between before I make ugali, and then yeah, I take supper. So let's prepare omena.
Every moment feels so right. With you, my love, I'll always abide. I really love you with all my heart. Together forever, we'll never part. In your arms, I found my home. In this love, I'll never roam. Through the storms and through this night, I feel your presence by my side. Every moment feels so right. With you, my love, I'll always abide. I really love you with all my heart. Together forever, we'll never part. My everything, my reason and my rhyme. With you I found my way in this simple life of mine. Through every twist and turn, the love that every storm. In your eyes I find my home, safe and warm. You are my everything, my reason and my rhyme. With you I found my way in this simple life of mine. Through every twist and turn, love's a song we sing. In this heartfelt melody, you are my everything. Front porch rocking chairs, the sun begins to set. We reminisce on memories that we won't forget. Raindrops on the tin roof say love's promise. We sealed it with a kiss in the moonlight's tender glow. My soul found its abyss. Through the years and through the tears, we'll weave our story tight. Love's promise, forever bound till the end of time, my life. Underneath the pale skies, when autumn leaves would fall, the scent of rain and damp earth, we braved it through it all. Your smile like the morning sun, your touch like nature's balm.
In the tender moments shared, I found my heart's calm. Winter winds might howl and moan, and snows may cover ground. I found my way to your heart, through the whispers of the wind and the stars. With every mile, I felt it from the start. I found my way to your heart. Sometimes the road ain't easy, no. We face the storms, but together we'll go. With you beside me, I'm never lost. 'Cause in your love I found a home that's worth the cost.
My omena is ready. I just want to shower, then I'll make ugali and take supper. So I'd like to leave you guys at this point. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. See you on my next vlog. Yeah, they love my nails. Look at them, look at them. Okay, see you guys. Bye bye.